In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile image on DocuSign. Managing your digital presence is often about paying attention to these small details, and having an updated profile picture is one of the key components. So whether you're looking to refresh your image or aligning it with new brand colors, I'm here to guide you through the straightforward process in just a few simple steps. First, we need to locate your profile settings. To do this, head over to the upper right corner of your DocuSign homepage. You'll see your current profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that. This is the area where you can access a variety of personal settings, and it acts as a gateway to managing your account easily. After clicking on your profile icon, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. From the available options, select My Preferences. This section houses all your personal settings, where you can make adjustments to suit your account needs, including the chance to change your profile image. Once you're in your preferences, you'll notice several headings and options laid out for you. Among these, you need to focus on the section dedicated to your profile. Here, you will see an option labeled Update. This is your next stop. Click on the Update button, which will prompt you to proceed with changing your profile photo. Now that you've clicked on Update, you're almost there. The next screen will provide a prompt to upload your picture. You may want to prepare this image beforehand, ensuring it is of good quality and represents you well, as this will be one of the first things people see when interacting with you on DocuSign. Once you have your image ready, simply click to upload it from your device. It's that straightforward. The platform is designed to make this as smooth and intuitive as possible. Finally, once you've selected your new image and are satisfied with the preview, go ahead and hit Save. At this point, your profile will seamlessly update to reflect your new picture. And just like that, you've successfully refreshed your profile image. Having an up-to-date and professional-looking profile can make a significant impact, especially when communicating in business environments through platforms like DocuSign. So, take a moment to ensure your profile represents you perfectly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any more questions about navigating your DocuSign experience. Happy updating!